He's sniffing, somebody's sniffing the, I guess it stinks. Okie dokie, so I moved my stage from there to here so I can drill it. So right now I'm just going to, he's sniffing, somebody's sniffing the, I guess it stinks. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drill this. I already did the first screw, so I'm just gonna set the camera up somewhere and try to catch as much of this as I can because I suck at this stuff. So yeah. So it's in a triangle right now, but what I have are these. How do I fix the lighting? So I cut these right here, about 3 by 3'8". And there's one that's 3'9" because my measurements were off, but I cut it at an angle so that it can lay kind of like a triangle. So I did the same for the other one. So I'm just gonna line them up so that it all makes sense and drill those two really quickly. And this is how it looks so far. And I'll show you guys the circular saw probably another video. Because that was a lot. It was scary, but it was doable. You can do it too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, well, maybe I can set it up here. Way too long. So I accidentally got too short of screws. Like they're way too short. So what I'm gonna have to do, luckily I go. Luckily, I accidentally bought short screws on accident. So, trying to be a better vlogger, this is hard. But you guys, I guess, are going to see the progress of me getting better with that. So. The feet just worked. Why? But you guys see, it keeps loosening. Like, oh. So I just put the top portion on, and I ended up having to push these in a little bit just to line it up evenly, so it was enough to actually drill a nail into each of these parts. You can see it's a little bit uneven, but it's gonna work out. I just cut the other piece a little bit to, like, obviously this is not straight, but it's gonna work out. Right, so I'm just gonna drill these in and let you guys see me do that. Oh, hey Simba. 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 Loki's over there. You guys know the drill. Or maybe you don't. I don't know. I don't really post, so probably don't know the drill. So I'm going to use these longer screws. Just kind of annoying that I have to change the drill bit every single time I switch to a long screw, because apparently all wood screws don't have the same, whatever that thing inside is called. Actually, let me start from the sides. So, and my camera's dying. So, long story short, I'm gonna have to record this a little later. I'm going to tape it. I'm going to probably cut it. I might just tape it and leave it for tomorrow to cut. I'm gonna flip this over and I'm gonna drill my two supports in. It's really simple. I might have to cut them slanted, but I'm just gonna put a support there and a support on that side, which are right there, and they're already cut. And then I'm going to drill them in. That's all I'm gonna do, and you guys can stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is the stage. It's crooked. Like, you can see it kind of, well, you can't see right this second, but you will be. But I'm about to push it into that corner. I just vacuumed, so you guys are about to watch me. Lord. I'm gonna step on it. Obviously I'm out of breath, you guys, but it is very sturdy. Now there's no support right here, so I'm gonna definitely do a board right down the middle. But for now, this works. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.